Yeah, you'll probably find one soon. I'm actually recording a video right now, by the way.
Oh really? What are you recording?
Since I haven't uploaded in a few days, I just figured I'd do a rerun of my units again. Yeah, you're gonna see this on YouTube later. Bird took a duke on that one. I'm expecting this one to fire up within the next minute or so, so I want to keep my distance. Line's pretty sweaty, so that's a great indication that it has been running. That sounds fun.
Yes.
My neighborhood isn't really the best for walks.
My neighborhood's like a cul-de-sac thing. There's two rooms over there that could be running.
It's still pretty hot outside.
It's getting cooler in my neighborhood. Constructions are all construction right there, and your construction right there.
2004 trains. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick look at them. 3-ton's running. 5-ton seems to be not. I haven't really seen the 5-ton train run at all today, or at least I haven't heard it.
Yeah, that's
The upstairs unit has been running all freaking day. And there's a little dent in the fan grill right there. Didn't notice that. What brand is it? I'm gonna go see if the unit with the scroll kicked on. No, it is still not running. I got about 2 minutes worth of battery left on this battery. Got plenty of space on the SD card, but battery needs to be charged. I'm just gonna let it run till it dies. I believe I just heard one of the other units kick on. All 3 of them are running. There's a satellite right there. Alright, I'm gonna go on and head inside. I can still call, but I need to charge this camera. And there's Milo. Looks like he wants to come out. There you go, boy. And I guarantee he's going to want to come back in within the next few minutes. Or within the next few seconds. I guess I'll